You know, I've been taking photographs outside, well, taking photographs out back, sort of thing, through the windows, of course, because we're too high up. I never figured out this was out front. I mean, the amount of chemtrails and frequencies being used here, you can see, hopefully, if the brick will allow. My God, how many trails? A few in there. I'm not even going to hesitate. I'm not going to attempt to count these damn things. But anyway, move further out. Looking up, there's a couple up there. Really spread. Anyway, that's looking to the left. Go over to the right. Over towards the station clock. I want to sit down, sorry. Right, they're clamping down on the truth movement, they're clamping down on the population as well now. This is definitely a conspiracy, but it's not a theory, okay? Let's go down to this lot over here. Only because it looks odd. But as you can see, it's been one snot rocket after another one here. Out back, I took a few photographs. There's quite a few trails been laid. Every time I've taken a photograph of one, or it's been hidden, another one's been there to replace it. Now over here, see if I can pick the right chimney top. Behind that one, see the frequencies. And obviously, if they're firing frequencies into the cloud, they've got to go through us, haven't they? There's a plane up there with no trail behind it, so innocent. Alright, you're okay.
Why are you taking a picture of?
I'm videoing the Snot Rocket trails, all this lot. Chemtrails. So I don't know if you can see the plane just above this trail over here. We know they're done on purpose. Now as we go over to this cloud over here, which I've just noticed, mixture of frequencies and say a scar through it, I don't know. Try and avoid anybody's houses and bedrooms, of course. Try to keep people out of it and avoid and keep some privacy. So this is Darlington, 8:25 on Tuesday, the whatever it is of August. 7, 6, 7, 8, whatever. Tuesday anyway. Nice. I think I'll leave it at that. That's over to the northeast. That's more east. Oops. Southeast. And that black and spreading, as you can see. They're doing something at it. Yeah, barely. I better go in. See ya.